What's up, everybody? Welcome back to your daily entertainment gossip show right here on Odate GHTV. So if you want the latest gossip in town, then this is the show for you. Yes, so if you are new here and haven't subscribed to this channel, I will urge you to kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Stay tuned for more. Yeah, so today's gossip has to do with Burna Boy. Yeah, so some few days ago, Burna Boy was crowned as, you know, the best global album, or he won the best global album at the Grammy, or the 63rd edition of the Grammy Awards. And guys, this was a very great achievement for Burna Boy, especially when, you know, last year his African Giant album was, you know, nominated, but he didn't win. But then he went in again with Twice as Tall album and won that particular category. And guys, this was very huge for Nigerians and also for Burna Boy himself and his team. Yeah, so finally Burna Boy has finally arrived in Nigeria and came with a private jet. And guys, the entourage, the crowd, man, that was waiting for Burna Boy at the airport was very huge. You see, Nigerians support their own, and this is a sign, or they're actually sending a message to the rest of the African countries that, hey, any artist in your country who is doing marvelous works, you have to support the person to the world. Yeah, so Ghana, I'm speaking on behalf of Ghanaians, let's support our top guns, Sarkodie, Stonebwoy, Shatawale. You know, the list is endless. I mean, the new guys are that the new kid on the block, you know, the Saka boys, you know, and also, I mean, the artists that are already, you know, in the system. Let's support them. Anyone who has dropped a new project, guys, let's support that particular person to be recognized by the international music scene and also international music, you know, awards schemes and all. And when they win, the achievement is definitely going to come to Ghana as a whole. Alright guys, watch the video when Burna Boy actually arrived in Nigeria, and also don't forget to also drop your comments in the comment section below. Yeah guys, so you saw the excitement on the face of Nigerians, and as I said, this should serve as a lesson to all other Africans on the continent, so that at least you know, our artists can win, you know, big awards in the global scene. Yes, so guys, all too soon come to the end of the daily entertainment gossip show right here on Odate GHTV. As always, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, join this amazing family because we are all about entertainment. Yes, so don't forget to also follow me on all social media platforms. It's at Odate_GH on Instagram. Yeah, so guys, my account is back and you can follow me and you get up-to-date news also on my Instagram account and also other accounts as well. Until I come with another exciting episode of the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show, it's peace.